So in 1945, the Allies, when they bombed the city of Berlin, well, they left this church pretty much completely damaged. Look to that. It's the Kaiser Wilhelm Church. And here we are, here at the Siegessäule, which is this monument to commemorate and celebrate the victory over the Danes in the Danish-Prussian War, and also the victory over the French in the Franco-Prussian War, which basically led to the unification also of Germany eventually, and also to the creation of the empire as well, which was created in 1870. And so there we have this magnificent monument here to celebrate all those victories. You could eventually climb over there to the top, but well, now the weather is it's not so great. It's kind of starting to rain, so, and you don't get not the views. Well, with this kind of weather, it's not any great. So let's just go explore other places here. Let's go for it. And here we have Bismarck. He was the mastermind of the German Empire that was created in 1970. He was the one that fooled France into a declaration of war against Prussia. He is the genius. And right now, right here, we are at the world clock and at the Alexanderplatz.